Colin, what are you doing? You're scaring me. What is that? Is that the dog? Oh my...
Catch!
Wait, what? Colin, what are you doing?
What is this?
What are you doing? I don't know what it is.
It's not working, so it's not for us. I can find something.
Shit.
Are you recording my freak out?
I followed you. Shit. Hold on. Oh no, they're seeing the ground. Yeah.
Hey.
What are you finding now?
This might just work.
If you're referring to a relationship, then no. What the fuck is that shit? Oh no. Don't worry about it, folks. This means nothing. This is a great blooper. Can we do better? Can we do more than one? Oh, isn't this beautiful? You know, it's as Colin said.
Still a better love story in Twilight.
They died for each other. And this is them and their beautiful relationship symbolized in the afterlife. Let's just take a moment here to admire this.
Need the sponsorships.
It's as if they're chasing each other for the rest of eternity because they're in love with each other. Totally not important thing. I'm zooming in right now. Sorry, that was my fault. I didn't mean to zoom in. Something was on the screen. Now that I think about it, there's like a lot of...
There's a lot of stuff on the screen.
Yeah.
What is that? Right there.
Where?
Right there. No, it's there.
You're pointing to a light. You're pointing to the entryway. Oh no. Colin trying to create a love triangle.
It's there.
I don't know. That's what I zoomed in on earlier, I think.
It's there. It's there.
Oh, everywhere.
Yeah.
Why aren't we getting paid? Thank you for sticking with us. Don't be surprised if we come back with a third animal.
You've given me an idea.
Well, time to search some more. Adventure! Oh, isn't this beautiful? They died for each other. As Colin said.
Gotta kill them all.
Oh. That's not what I thought you were going to say. He basically said it's a better love story than Twilight.
Oh. Shit. Stop the fan.
You want to do it all over?
Yes.